Hey guys, Justin here. Day 2. And here's the train already. It's pretty cool actually. They're not actually like Shenzhen Metro. They're not actually like having the only 3 doors for this train. Wow, and for this line only 3 doors. Line 5 here at Yangji station. Earlier on we took line 1, but I didn't bother to film that again because it's literally just the same thing. So I've already filmed it the whole line 1, so no point in filming it again. So that's why I just took one station over here to Yangji, and we'll go to Zoo. That's a really stupid name actually. It's kind of troll name. One station. Oh, I like this door though. Terrible stopping spot. Let's go. Let's go. Not much actually. Just one station to the zoo.
The destination on this train is Jiaokou. 请上车的乘客往车厢中部走。下一站，动物园，请从列车前进方向的右门下车。
Oh, side platform.
動物園，請從列車前進方向嘅右門落車。The next station is the zoo.
Okay, so the announcement actually said the zoo, although it literally just said zoo up there. That's so stupid. Pretty basic door. You can see in Shenzhen Metro as well. Not too many interchange for this line actually. Short journey. And beware of being clamped. Oh, I really like that announcement. The doors are closing. Please take care of your safety and beware of being clamped. I really like the use of the word clamped, but yeah. Is this a side platform? No, I'm not seeing actually a platform on the other side. Usually we can see it through. So maybe it's a stacked platform. Yes, it is a stacked platform. It's on the bottom for the other direction. Oh, pretty good stopping spot this time. Alright. Zoo. Yes, the other direction is at bottom. So it is a stacked platform. Nice. But this is such a weird line. There's only 3 doors for every car. There's the beware of being clamped. How many cars is this? 6? Yes, 6. Okay, 6 cars. But 3 doors for each car. That is a really weak motor. Wow, I cannot even hear a single thing, but it's cool. Later on, we actually will continue on the line 5 for another journey because I think we're going to Xicun for the next stuff, but we're of course visiting the zoo first, so that's why we try the line 8 later on after another line 5 journey. So that's the quote-unquote first trip for day 2 of the trip, because first trip was line 1 station journey, so no point in filming that again. Oh, this is a cool station though. Okay, cool station. Decent, because at least there's actually some difference in designs. They have the zoo design on it. Cool station. Alright, we'll visit the zoo now and I'll see you guys later for the next journey. Click on these videos up top and peace.